Good evening, guys. Welcome back to my channel. Good evening from Bologna, Italy. So, guys, I don't know if there is any Nigeria in the building. You understand what I'm holding? Any Nigeria? Please, I don't know. Is there any other culture that do this? I don't know, but I know that it's Nigeria food. I don't know, but if is any, please let me know in the comment section. So, guys, I'll be craving for this. Abacha, not like this, not the dry abacha, the one I use for abacha that you just turn and make it and start eating it. No, that's not what I want. I want the water on the abacha mini. I don't know how to say it in English. I even asked my husband to buy coconut for me. So I've been craving for this for long. So I told him to buy it for me, and he went out today to the African shop. So he bought this for me. So I want to use it and do abacha. Abacha miri. So guys, this I'll show you guys how, for people that don't know what it is, I'll show you guys how it's done. So first I have to cook this. I have to cook it. I don't know if they remove the back, but my grandmom taught me they can just wash it and cook it like that. I don't know if some people peel the back, but me, I don't peel the back. I peel the back once it's done. So first I have to cut off the head. Yeah. So I have to cut it like this. So it will be easy to. Why is this strong like this? Why is this strong like this? Is it the Europe? Is it the Europe one? I'm trying to get the other size of it. I want to cut it once like this. Good. This is perfect. So next I wash it, and I think I should cut it into two, right? So it will be easy to, it will done fast. Yes, let me cut it into like this. Like this. When I used to do this in Nigeria, I don't cut it two. I don't cut it like this. I don't put it in the fire. But I'm just cutting it like this. I don't know how this one is. I don't know if it's difficult. This one is very strong like this to cut. It may be difficult to cook. So let's cut it like this. Then wash it. Put it in the pot like this, like this, like this. Like this, like this. Then add some water. Good, perfect. So we're going to cook it now and allow it to cook. So I like to cook. So let's wait for it to cook. Let's wait for it to cook. Why are you holding a knife? Guys, my son have not moved since morning. That's because he has been sick. So he didn't even go to school yesterday. He was at home. It's only the sister that went to school. Since yesterday, this is my boy moving around. I'm so happy, I'm just so happy. Not with knife. Not with knife, okay? And there's one thing, like whenever he's sick, he always have this I don't know. There is some. This is my camera. Don't worry, guys. Don't worry. I'll buy a good phone very soon. He always have something like rashes on his palm and even his tongue. Whenever he have fever, I don't know the cause of that. Please, if anybody that's experienced something like that, their child also have something like that, should just let me know. Is there anything that he's lacking or something like that is causing it? But the doctor said there's a disease that he does need antibiotic, all those stuff. So that is normal. It happens to some people, some children. But I thought this is my kids are experiencing it because my 2 daughters, I did not expect something like this. What is wrong? So I talk to you when the abacha is ready. When it's cooked, then talk to you guys. Then you will see the next step. So guys, let's check it. Yeah, it's ready. It's ready. I have to wait for it to cool down before peeling and slicing them. Guys, I want them to sleep. So if you cool down, I'll slice and peel them. So talk to you guys when it's cool down. For now, let me see if one of them wants to sleep. So guys, it's cold now. At least one baby is sleeping. Many one. So let's slice it. Guys, please don't ask me why his color is like this. So I don't know why his color is like this. Because Nigerian one is not. I've not experienced this color though. But maybe because of the back. Good. So see. As I just washed this pot, I'm done slicing. Next, I have to just put inside this pot. This one looks so big. Oh, no, it's supposed to be big. It's supposed to be sliced. See. That is done. Good. So guys, I'm done. Now I have to put some water inside it and good. So like this, now we are done. We cover it. I'll leave it here. Tomorrow I'll wash it. So guys, I'll leave it there. Tomorrow I'll wash it. I don't know why. When I was staying with my grandmom, she said that when you eat it immediately, that after slicing, after now, that it makes someone to die. But I don't know if it's true, but that's what I heard. That what she told me, and that's the mentality still there, and that is how we do it. So we leave it here. We leave it. We soak it in the water. Then tomorrow morning we wash it, and so we eat. But tomorrow I will show you guys the next step tomorrow. Now we are done for today. Talk to you guys tomorrow morning. Good night. Good morning, my people. So guys, good morning from here. How was your night? I hope you guys slept well. Well, for your baby girl, I did not sleep well yesterday. my son was running temperature, and he was just disturbing throughout his sleep. So, guys, let's wash. Let me show you guys the face of. Okay, wait, let me show you guys properly. So, guys, this is what it's looking like this morning. So this is it's ready. It's ready. Everything about it is ready. Just to wash it. I have to wash it and filter the water out. Let me use warm water. Guys, I'm done. This coconut is just like eating rice and soda. This coconut is just it's sending the abacha message in your tummy. Okay, perfect. The combination is perfect. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and share. Love you.